Hello people, you're welcome to another training session. How are we doing? Trust we are doing great. Today we'll be looking at how to produce this very beautiful transparent liquid detergent. Just follow me as I'll be taking you through the step-by-step approach to producing this soap. Alright, let's go right into the video. Produce transparent liquid detergent. Let me introduce you to my list of chemicals. We're producing a very large batch today, about 25 liters of transparent liquid detergent. So I'll start here. This is my Tezapo. It is 2 kg. We'll be using 2 kg here. This is my XLS. You call it rice. This is half kg, 500 grams, half kg. I'll be using cooking salt, normal table salt. I'll be using 1.4 kg. So this is 1 kg, this is 500. I'll be left with 100 grams from these two. This is my fragrance. I'll be using this very sweet mango fragrance. This is my color. I'll be using lemon color. And I'll be going through again my Tezapon. This is Tezapon. It's 2 kg. This is XLS rice. Sodium lauryl sulfate. It's half kg, 500 grams. I'll be using 1.4 kg up to 1.4 kg of my table salt. This is my fragrance. You can use to your taste. And this is my color. I'll be using just this one wrap. So what do I do first? And this is my water. I have 25 liters of water. This is 20 liters and this is 5 liters. This is my mixing bowl. So what do I do first? I'm going to make my XLS solution by adding my XLS into my water, and I'll leave it for like 1 hour to dissolve properly before I come back to start producing. So I don't have a bigger bowl that can take the whole 25 liters. I would have used that. So I'll just pour the remaining here. So here we have our XLS solution. I dissolve in 25 liters of water. So I'm just going to allow it for like 1 hour to dissolve properly. Then I'll come back to let you see. We'll now go right into the main production. So I'll be right back. Thank you. So we are here, we are back, we're about to start producing our soup. So look at our excellent solution, it has well melted. So we're just pour in our Tezapo. So we'll come back after some time. Okay, thank you.